Hey guys, welcome back to the eSolo channel. Yeah, my Honda Pilot is a 2003. I cannot ship out from park. Don't know what's going on. So, key is in the on position, and I press my feet down to the brake, and then I cannot shift it. Don't know what's going on. Yeah, probably need to look at something online and then see if I can. There might be a common issues or something else. Yep, cannot shift. I need to figure something else. Maybe pull harder. Oh. Huh. Okay, I find this circuit diagram related to the shifter on this 2003 Honda Pilot. So let's see what they have here. Oh, here's the shift positions. So like a P, a R, and N. Okay, so now I cannot shift it out from the park, and then maybe let's back trace it to see what is the holdup. Cruise control, and then keep going up to the diagram. Keep going up to the diagram. Now I'm hitting this like a circuit path. There might be a big box. Okay, and then keep going up. Well, okay, so what's the input to this to this circuit? So we have a fuse. 47 is a 20 amp. It's under the hood. That might be the problem. Driver's side dash, maybe those. And then have a shift solenoid lock switch, and then have a brake pedal switch, and here's a steering lock assembly. So key interlock switch. Okay, so this is a switch. So the switch energized by turning the key to on, it should send power. That might be the line. It's a little bit choppy. And then send power down to the brake pedal switch. But if it's a hold up, it will not send power to the lock switch solenoid, maybe the shift lock solenoid. So maybe first thing I should check is a brake pedal switch first, and then to see if this bad, it should stop the shift lock solenoid to unlock the column shifter. Maybe I can check the brake light. If the brake switch is not working, the brake light should not turn on once the brake pedal is pressed. Based on the diagram, it could be like a brake switch, which is right here. So here's a brake pedal. So if I trace it, yep, and here's the brake switch. So when you press down, the switch should release, and it should send a signal to the shifter column to unlock the shifter. The one thing I want to make sure is okay, it's here. Like you see this black piece of rubber. Yeah, make sure it stays there. There's the spacer to push the switch. The switch is on the. This is the switch, and then the actual the compress point is on the back. Maybe the switch is bad, I guess. Alright, another way to check it is go in the car and then step on the brake. Make sure that the brake light light up. If not, probably the brake switch is bad. Alright, so it blinked a little bit and then it turned it back off by itself when I pressed the brake pedal. Yeah, part of the switch is bad. I'm going to replace it. Maybe that's why people don't want to drive behind me, because once I hit the brake, no one knows what I'm doing. The car just slow down. Ay. I try my best to do the video. It's this space is really tight. Let's do some lighting. It looked like for the old one, it looked like the plunger position for the old one is pressed all the way in. See, I release the brake, it came out. You see the black one, and now if I release the brake, okay. So for the new one, since I have a different, it look different. So if I adjust the depth like the old one, it should work. Okay, you just press here and then pull it out. I need to break loose this nut. It's a 14 millimeter, just a hair. And then now the sensor, you can turn it. Here's the sensor. So it just have a one nut. This side is a screw to the bracket. So I did a measurement between the bottom of the nut and here is about 5/8 of the inch. I don't know. Let's get a new one. This thing with the car since day one, so 21 years. I got a new one. It looked different. Yeah. If I put side by side, they seem, different. Yep, because because this one's shorter than this one, so the height is different between the nut and here. I think it's okay. I can do some adjustment and then make sure when the brake pedal not pressing, the switch is going in. Okay, for this part I will put the link in the description below. Alright, let's do the install. Yeah, this is what it look like. It don't have a nut behind it. It's just a hole with a thread. So that's where the sensor go. I now need to make sure the brake pedal is compressing the switch. Well, the good thing about the new one, the plunger is orange or brownish. It's easy to look at. That might be too much. I think that would be good. Yeah, just leave a little bit sticking out, just like the old one. So now I can position the sensor like this hole isn't down because that's how the connector go in. Here's the hook. So now I can tighten this nut quite good. This is 14 millimeter. It's not going anywhere. It's not turning. Good. So now I can put the plug back in. Give it a torque test. Yep, everything's tight. The plunger location still right, I would say. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, start the car. now I can hear like the click. When you like press the brake, I hear the click. That might be like the column lock or like the shifter solenoid. And then now, yep, I can do it. Yeah, now I can do a shift, no problem. All right, let's try one more time. Yep, still hear the click. All right, let's check the brake light. Make sure it's like it light up when I press the brake. I think because like a sticky brake switch caused the shifter column, or caused the shifter not shifting out from park. After we replace with a new one, it's working now, and the brake lights stay on when I hold the brake, which is good. I think that's fixed the two problem, I would say, because like before no one wanted to follow me. Maybe my brake lights like it's not 100% working. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, give me a like, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.